Treating hair loss can seem like a never-ending affair, but there are tons of over-the-counter products that can help minimize this condition. Here are some of our favorite hair oils, shampoos, conditioners, serum, and masks that will help you navigate through this journey and hopefully make it to your hair care routine. Hair oils are undoubtedly one of the most transformational products when it comes to reversing hair loss. The Kama Ayurveda Bringadi Intensive Hair Treatment Oil has gained immense popularity, and for all the right reasons. To start off, it's 100% natural and contains a potent mix of hair-loving herbs that work to make the hair roots much stronger, promoting hair growth. The herbs induced in it also fight off any kind of scalp infections that could be causing your hair to fall out and work as a natural conditioner for your hair. This is basically magic in a bottle. It's a little heavy scented, but nothing you can't handle. The second product I'm going to talk about is Biotique Advanced Organics Onion Black Seed Shampoo. It's free of any chemicals and preservatives, which is great if your hair is dry and prone to hair fall, especially after a shower. Since it's a gentle cleanser, it will get rid of the grime and grease without overstripping your hair of its moisture. And you will actually start noticing a healthy shine in your hair after a couple of washes itself. As the name suggests, it's formulated with black seed extracts, which will strengthen your weak strands and leave you with healthy, happy hair. Conditioners are one of my favorite products because they make the hair super soft and shiny, all the while strengthening it. The Saint Botanica Moroccan Argan Oil Conditioner can transform damaged and dry hair because it's a blend of some powerful ingredients: vitamin B5, vitamin E, Moroccan Argan Oil, avocado oil, wheat protein, olive oil. All these ingredients you might know are vital supplements to keep the hair healthy inside out. The best part is that because it's so gentle, you can even use it on colored hair. It reduces hair fall, which happens when your roots are weak, and even adds nourishment and moisture no matter how brittle your hair is. The next product is Requil Hair Fall Control Serum, which targets fighting hair loss from the very scalp. The reason why this is a one-of-a-kind product is because it's formulated with aminexil that widens the blood vessels, in turn allowing better blood circulation, helping with rapid and dense hair growth. It's also a DHT blocker, which is a great thing because DHT is guilty of not letting nutrients get absorbed by the hair shaft, hence causing weak roots and hair fall. You just have to apply this on your dry scalp about twice a week and then style it as you normally would. Hair that lacks care and nourishment is more often than not weak and hence succumbs to hair fall. One hair pack treatment that can reverse this is the Biotique Musk Root Growth Nourishing Treatment Pack. Musk root is a herb found in the Himalayas that has been used for centuries to add volume to your hair and aid in scalp hair growth as well. It also has other amazing ingredients like amla and bhringraj powder, which will help you if you're dealing with any scalp infections or even premature graying. You can mix this with either yogurt or egg and apply it on dry hair, keeping it for half an hour before washing it off. Healthy hair starts with using the right products that nourish and love your hair. So remember to choose wisely. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.